Power your writing with strong verbs. Hello, learners. Today, we'll be exploring a key strategy to make your writing clearer and more concise. One surefire way to enhance your writing is by using strong verbs. This will not only reduce the word count but also make your emails or letters more engaging and persuasive. So, what are strong verbs? Strong verbs are specific, vivid verbs that convey action, emotion, or sensation. They're called strong because they paint a vivid picture and can often stand alone without the need for additional adverbs or adjectives. They can instantly elevate your writing and make it more vibrant and effective. For instance, instead of saying, "I walked quickly," you could use the strong verb, "I dashed." It's more concise and also adds a layer of excitement to the sentence. Now that we know what strong verbs are, let's understand their counterparts. Weak verbs. Weak verbs are more generic and less specific, often used with additional words to convey the same meaning. They can make your writing longer and less dynamic. A common set of weak verbs includes is, are, was, were, have, has, had, and would. For example, John is the manager of the team could be replaced with John manages the team. The trick to make your writing more concise and engaging is to replace weak verbs with strong ones. Remember, using strong verbs makes your writing more active, direct, and lively. To do this, identify the weak verb and see if you can replace it with a more powerful and specific one. For example, she gives assistance to the team could become she assists the team. Similarly, he made a decision to leave the job can be he decided to leave the job. Notice how the sentences with strong verbs are not just shorter, but also sound more decisive and energetic. To get better at this, let's do a quick exercise. Try to rewrite these sentences using strong verbs. 1. He was the winner of the race. 2. The committee is in agreement about the decision. 3. She has a fear of heights. Take a few moments to think about it and then check your answers. 1. He won the race. 2. The committee agrees on the decision. 3. She fears heights. In conclusion, using strong verbs in your writing is a simple but effective strategy to achieve clarity and conciseness. Remember, strong verbs make your writing more dynamic, vivid, and engaging. So, practice identifying weak verbs in your writing and replace them with strong ones. Happy writing, and we hope this video helps you to write with greater impact.